Chiliz value equivalent to 2.4016 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.3781 2.4355. The earlier day close, 2.4072. The change was 0.0056, 0.23%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 2.41 rands, high 2.58, low 2.24. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.40 rands, high 2.57, low 2.23. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.47 rands, high 2.64, low 2.30. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.40 rands, high 2.57, low 2.23. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. In multi-week Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 2.43 rands, high 2.60, low 2.26. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.43 rands, high 2.60, low 2.26. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.49 rands, high 2.66, low 2.32. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.52 rands, high 2.70, low 2.34. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 2.63 rands, high 2.81, low 2.45. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.71 rands, high 2.90, low 2.52. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.70 rands, high 2.89, low 2.51. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, May 8, cost 2.75 rands, high 2.94, low 2.56. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.73 rands, high 2.92, low 2.54. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.77 rands, high 2.96, low 2.58. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 12, cost 2.61 rands, high 2.79, low 2.43. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 2.14 rands, exorbitant cost 2.70, while low cost 2.11. Found the middle value of cost 2.37. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.51, change for April 17.3%. Chiliz gauge for May 2023. In the first place cost at 2.51 rands, exorbitant cost 2.96, while low cost 2.42. Found the middle value of cost 2.63. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.61, change for May 4.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.61 rands, exorbitant cost 2.61, while low cost 2.16. Found the middle value of cost 2.43. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.32, change for June 11.1%. Chiliz estimate for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.32 rands, exorbitant cost 2.57, while low cost 2.23. Found the middle value of cost 2.38. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.40, change for July 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 2.40 rands, exorbitant cost 2.97, while low cost 2.40. Found the middle value of cost 2.64. Chiliz estimate for September 2023. To start with cost at 2.78 rands, exorbitant cost 2.78, while low cost 2.18. Found the middle value of cost 2.52. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.34, change for September 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 2.34 rands, excessive cost 2.34, while low cost 1.83. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.12. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.97, change for October 15.8%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.97 rands, excessive cost 2.00, while low cost 1.74. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.90. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.87, change for November 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.87 rands, excessive cost 2.30, while low cost 1.87. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.05. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.15, change for December 15.0%. Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 2.15 rands, excessive cost 2.66, while low cost 2.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.36. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.49, change for January 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 2.49 rands, excessive cost 3.09, while low cost 2.49. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.74. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.89, change for February 16.1%. Chiliz figure for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 2.89 rands, excessive cost 2.89, while low cost 2.26. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.62. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.43, change for spring 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 2.43 rands, excessive cost 2.43, while low cost 1.90. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.20. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.04, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 0.4164 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4106 minus 0.4205. The earlier days nearby 0.4154. Change for now plus 0.0010 plus 0.24%. Rand to Chiliz figure on Monday, April 17, cost 0.415 coins, high 0.446, low 0.388. ZAR to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.417 coins, high 0.448, low 0.389. Rand to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.405 coins, high 0.435, low 0.379. ZAR to CHZ expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.417 coins, high 0.448, low 0.389. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 0.